Hi, I'm Arjun Kapoor and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama. As Faridun says, keep on watching.
There has been a valid criticism that somehow there has been over hammering of in-film advertising. Would you agree with that? That's a universal.
अब देखो उसके दो पहलू है.
It becomes a bit too in the face.
पहली चीज है वो सफोला में काम कर रही है तो वो तो रहेगा ही पिक्चर में
बहुत, लेकिन दावत भी है, ये भी है, वो भी बहुत.
हाँ नहीं सफोला, see that one big brand was always there. See where Vistara is concerned, I think we needed a plane today. How many planes do you have available? Airline provided the name, so the name was there in the airline. I don't see anything wrong with that. अभी अगर हम कोई और कंपनी का नाम लेते तो भी वो बोलते हो, चाहे वो इन फिल्म होता या नहीं.
But you know,
some film, I think some brands are organic. I can understand people feeling that way. But see, he's an ad film director. He's been an ad man. There are a lot of brands that want to affiliate. The film also allowed brands to affiliate. We've tried to keep it as organic. If it's been something that's popped out to people, I as an actor can only learn out of it and be aware of it the next time we do a film like this. But this film really lent itself to the brand. It's not that we had to try. See, in cooking you need rice, you need oil, you need, in those sections you need paste, this, that, वो सब कुछ तो चाहिए ही होता है. I don't know which other brands are there. I can't remember offhand.
बहुत हैं.
I can't remember offhand.
Okay, apart from that, Mr. Bachchan had, I think, Mr. Bachchan and Jaya Ji, I think, had a superb cameo. And the entire portion when he's saying that 4 दिन तक lecture सुनना पड़ेगा तेरी जात का बेटा. I think it's hilarious, and even though the entire body language and the looks that he's giving throughout, I think it's outstanding. Super. And even the discussion that they have, it's the kids, that's the deciding factor.
I met him yesterday. He was very happy with the response. He was so happy the film was doing well. I met him at GMA yesterday. And very nice of both of them to do this role, to play yourselves on screen. Sometimes people are a bit wary to put themselves out there. We get great response whenever I go to see the film. I've seen the film a couple of times in the theatres. There's genuine laughter, there's genuine clapping, there's genuine reaction for that entire section, and I think that's such an important section in the film. वो scene नहीं होता तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं you wouldn't have reached the culmination of the film in that, with that emotion. So they were very, very integral to the plot. I think it's one of the best cameos we've ever seen in India. To use star presence in the correct way. Let's look at it in a balance. Okay, there might be a lot of brands, but the fact is the director still knows how to use a cameo to its advantage also. So, there is something that works with Amit Ji and Jaya Ji being there in the film. So for every downside, there is an upside, which doesn't get appreciated enough. The downsides always get written about more than the upsides. Normally cameos are forced. Normally cameos are just to create an impact or an effect. वो गाने में 2 beat नाच के चले जाना, या एक dialogue के लिए passing दे देना. For the first time, a director, I think after a long time, a director has been able to utilize star presence, personality, package it in the correct film, in the correct scene, and still give it a scene that has relevance.
It's relevance, yeah, that's true. As far as performance is concerned, writing is concerned, I think many of the dialogues I think are really outstanding and they're very funny. Some people felt that थोड़ा सा कुछ talky portion थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होता था. That's what.
देखिए 2 लोग हैं पिक्चर में तो बातचीत ज़्यादा हो जाएगी.
The writing was very sprightly. It was something which was very quirky. Whenever anything surprises you, you're interested in that.
Correct.
And especially second time around when you're watching it, now it really just starts ringing in, which is very interesting.
Because थोड़ा उल्टा है तो आप 2 बार सुनते हो तो आपको फिर actually it hits you.
Exactly. Something about the writing part of it, your performances. I think both you and Kareena, जिस तरीके से he has spaced it out. Both of you are having like a very, very strong performances. In the sense, कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि ये एक भारी हो रहा है या फिर ये इसको कुछ वो हो रहा है या फिर.
I think that came from the writing, which I'm very happy that मैंने जब बात की थी उनसे ये idea को लेकर तभी idea था. He wrote it himself. What I liked about the fact that he's नौकरी की जाती है, घर चलाया जाता है, पुल्लिंग स्त्रीलिंग, हिंदुस्तान में ये कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत होते हैं. तुम लड़की थोड़ी ना घर पे बैठोगे.
करेक्ट.
जैसे वो बहुत जरूरी सवाल पूछती है एक इंटरव्यू में, वो द इंटरव्यूअर शी आस्क्ड मी अ क्वेश्चन, शी सेज आपको एम्बैरेसमेंट फील नहीं होती कि आपको आपके वाइफ से पैसे मांगने पड़ते घर चलाने को? एंड ही सेज द मोस्ट लॉजिकल थिंग जो हमने कभी सोचा नहीं है. ही सेज आपको क्या लगता है ऑल दोस हाउसवाइफ्स दैट आस्क देयर हस्बैंड फॉर मनी दे फील एम्बैरेस्ड, दे फील प्राइड.
नहीं, so writing is very
some things which really are so matter of fact but they hit the spot. They're like हमने कभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं.
जी बिल्कुल, you can relate to that because somewhere Balki himself he's married to Gauri Shinde and he's been extremely supportive of her.
Correct. I also think he has a different take on life only. अगर आप उनसे बात भी करो तो you'll realize he doesn't think straight like he doesn't think like us. He has that is why he's in the creative profession and his ads are so quirky. His films have always had this he's different. वो थोड़ा हटके है as a इंसान also when
That's
you
true.
interact with him, he's got a different take on life. So his writing also has a different take. And I think the performances have come out of the fact that he gave us both good material to work out of. I can understand people finding the film verbose because it's not very often that you see only two people in a film. Normally it's filled with characters, it's laced with a lot of songs. There's, you know, there are many other characters who do the talking also, so you don't find the two people talking. Yes, of course, that one aspect is maybe for some audiences कि यार थोड़ा ज्यादा
एक ये मैंने कहीं पर किसी रिव्यू मैंने पढ़ा था दैट स्वरूप संपत एंड रजित कपूर आई थिंक दे वर आउटस्टैंडिंग
Yes.
एज कैरेक्टर्स एंड मे बी दे कुड हैव बीन स्लाइटली मोर फ्लेश्ड आउट दैट्स आई रेड समवेयर
then we would have had to make a 2 hour plus film. Then the length would have been a problem. The film works, I also feel, is because it's 2 hours 2 minutes. It flies as a film because आप एक बार देख के आप बोलोगे यार टाइम पास थी, मजा आया, यू नो. अगर आप 2 बार जाके देखो तो वो सोने पे सुहागा, बट एक बार देखने के लिए 2 घंटे की पिक्चर से बहुत वैल्यू मिलती है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल इनफैक्ट देयर सो मेनी पोर्शंस एंड यू नो ऐसा लग रहा है कि हर चीज जो है वो उल्टा ही होने वाला है कि अगर तुम 11 बजे से पहले आ गए तो बाहर ही सोना पड़ेगा. यू थिंक अबाउट इट
He's intentionally
and
done
then
those things.
happy birthday and next time around just SMS. I think that's Rajit Kapoor was very cute.
I really like that father's character. The way
He was extremely
see, Balki is a very sweet filmmaker.
दहेज दे रहे
also.
हैं क्या?
हाँ. So he's a very sweet filmmaker. He tries to find a way to make you smile, make you feel positive in a film. He's not trying to make people feel bad that men have not paid attention. You know, he's just trying to make you realize we can. And he always says that the film is a what if. This boy is a superhero. Actually, अगर आप कबीर को देखो, ऐसा कोई इंसान हो नहीं सकता इतना perfect. उसको perfect होने के बावजूद real दिखाया है.
रियल दिखाया बिकॉज व्हेन ही स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग द अटेंशन तो उसके भी टोस्ट जल जाते हैं, ये सब चीजें होती हैं, तो ही हैज बीन शोन टू बी रियल एज वेल.
He's given me the
And
chance.
he's liking the attention as well.
And he's given me the chance to play that character in a real way, rather than making him very caricaturish and you know loud. He made me follow a sur which I really enjoyed playing. एक अलग सुर है पिक्चर का, अगर आप मेरी परफॉर्मेंस भी देखो, आवाज को लेके, बॉडी लैंग्वेज को लेके, एक सॉफ्टनेस रखी है, एक मेलोनेस रखी है आईज में. And he used to be very aware of that. He used to say, no, I want you to play it in a way where people want to meet you. Their heart should go out to, they should feel, अरे यार ऐसा कोई लड़का मिल जाए तो क्या बात. And that is what is happening in the audience. They're actually meeting Kabir in the theater and saying, यार I wish we found a boy like this for our daughter. I wish we knew a boy like this. So you can't find Kabir because he has too many beautiful qualities. Men are flawed, women are also flawed. But certain aspects definitely from Kabir people can learn out of it.
No, I think even he has been shown to be flawed. He gets jealous. He gets all sorts of those traits are there.
But he's
makes it real.
still a little unbelievable. अगर मैं आपको ऐसा सुना दूं कि ऐसा कोई बंदा है, आप थोड़ा बोलोगे नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता.
नहीं, बिल्कुल सही बात.
कुछ झोल है उसमें.
नहीं, बिल्कुल सही बात है.
But to make him believable and to make people feel connected to him, I think that is the genius of the director.